The rich versus the poor traveler. How different are their experiences? Ever dreamt of escaping to a far-off land, but wondered if your bank account would allow it? Travel is a universal desire, but the reality of the experience can drastically change depending on your financial resources. Let's dive into a fascinating exploration of how wealth shapes the journey. Travel ignites a spark within us, a yearning to explore the unknown and break free from the mundane. It's a chance to discover new cultures, taste exotic flavors, and create memories that last a lifetime. Whether it's backpacking through Southeast Asia or indulging in a luxurious European getaway, the allure of travel is undeniable. But the dream often collides with reality. The experiences we have while traveling are profoundly shaped by our financial means. A tight budget can mean sacrificing comfort and convenience, while a generous one can unlock doors to exclusive experiences. Imagine two travelers, both arriving in the same vibrant city, eager to explore its wonders. One is armed with a platinum credit card and a limitless budget, while the other meticulously counts every penny. How different will their journeys be? This isn't just a hypothetical scenario. We're embarking on a social experiment to uncover the true impact of wealth on the travel experience. We'll compare and contrast the journeys of a luxury traveler and a budget traveler, both navigating the same city, but with vastly different resources. Our experiment features two individuals with contrasting budgets. They'll both be exploring the same city, engaging in similar activities, but their experiences will be worlds apart. The goal is to understand how financial constraints and abundance shape the way we interact with the world. The luxury traveler will have access to a generous budget, allowing them to indulge in the finest accommodations, private transportation, and exclusive experiences. They'll be free to explore the city without worrying about the cost, focusing solely on maximizing their enjoyment. The budget traveler, on the other hand, will be constrained by frugality. They'll need to be resourceful, seeking out affordable accommodations, utilizing public transport, and embracing local street food. Their journey will be a testament to the power of resourcefulness and the ability to experience the world on a shoestring. For the luxury traveler, the journey begins with opulent accommodations. Think 5-star hotels with breathtaking views, personalized service, and every imaginable amenity. From plush bedding to gourmet meals, every detail is designed to provide the ultimate in comfort and relaxation. Private transportation becomes the norm, whisking the luxury traveler from one destination to another in style and comfort. No more crowded buses or confusing subway systems. Instead, they enjoy the convenience of a private car and driver, allowing them to maximize their time and minimize stress. Fine dining is an integral part of the luxury travel experience. The traveler savors exquisite meals prepared by world-renowned chefs, accompanied by carefully selected wines. Each meal is a culinary journey, a celebration of flavors and textures that tantalize the senses. Curated experiences are the hallmark of luxury travel. From private tours of historical landmarks to exclusive access to cultural events, the luxury traveler enjoys a personalized itinerary tailored to their interests and preferences. They are immersed in the city's culture in a way that is both enriching and effortless. The budget traveler's journey begins in a humble hostel, a melting pot of cultures, and a haven for like-minded adventurers. Shared dorm rooms and communal kitchens foster a sense of community, while the low cost allows for extended stays and deeper exploration. Public transport becomes the budget traveler's lifeline, navigating the city's intricate network of buses, trains, and trams. It's a chance to immerse oneself in the local culture, observing the daily lives of the city's residents and discovering hidden gems along the way. Street food is a culinary adventure for the budget traveler, a chance to sample authentic local flavors without breaking the bank. From savory noodles to spicy curries, the streets of the city become a vibrant marketplace of culinary delights. Free or low-cost activities are the budget traveler's secret weapon. Exploring parks, visiting museums on free admission days, and attending local festivals are all ways to experience the city without spending a fortune. These experiences often lead to unexpected discoveries and authentic cultural encounters. The luxury traveler enjoys unparalleled access and convenience. They bypass long queues at popular attractions, securing prime reservations at the city's most sought-after restaurants. Time is a precious commodity, and luxury travel ensures that it is used efficiently and effectively. Personalized service is a defining characteristic of the luxury travel experience. From dedicated concierge staff to private tour guides, every need is anticipated and catered to. The luxury traveler feels pampered and cared for, allowing them to relax and fully enjoy their journey. The luxury traveler's experience is characterized by its smoothness and efficiency. Every detail is meticulously planned and executed, ensuring a seamless and stress-free journey. They can focus on enjoying the moment without worrying about the logistical challenges that often plague budget travelers. The budget traveler, on the other hand, often faces logistical challenges. Navigating unfamiliar public transport systems, Waiting in long queues and dealing with language barriers can be frustrating and time-consuming. However, these challenges also foster resourcefulness and adaptability, qualities that can enrich the travel experience. While luxury travel offers unparalleled comfort and convenience, it can also create a barrier to authentic cultural immersion. The luxury traveler may find themselves insulated from the everyday realities of the city, missing out on the raw and unfiltered experiences that budget travelers often encounter. The luxury traveler's interactions with locals may be limited, often mediated by hotel staff or tour guides. This can create a sense of distance and prevent them from truly connecting with the people and culture of the city. The pursuit of luxury can sometimes lead to missed opportunities to explore hidden gems. The luxury traveler may be drawn to the well-trodden tourist paths, overlooking the quirky cafes, local markets, and off-the-beaten-path attractions that offer a more authentic glimpse into the city's soul. Budget travel demands resourcefulness and adaptability. The budget traveler must be creative in finding affordable accommodations, transportation, and activities. This process fosters problem-solving skills and a sense of self-reliance. Budget travel often leads to a deeper understanding of the city's rhythm. By using public transport, eating at local restaurants, and interacting with residents, the budget traveler gains a more intimate perspective on the city's culture and way of life. Budget travel can be incredibly enriching in terms of cultural immersion. The budget traveler is more likely to interact with locals, participate in local customs, and experience the city from a ground-level perspective. Budget travel can be a catalyst for personal growth. Overcoming challenges, stepping outside of one's comfort zone, and embracing the unknown can lead to increased confidence, resilience, and a broader worldview. Ultimately, there is no inherently superior approach to travel. The best way to travel depends on individual priorities, preferences, and financial circumstances. Luxury travel offers comfort, convenience, and exclusive experiences, while budget travel fosters resourcefulness, cultural immersion, and personal growth. The choice between luxury and budget travel is a personal one. It's about deciding what you value most in a travel experience and choosing the approach that best aligns with your goals. Whether you're sipping champagne in a 5-star hotel or sharing stories with fellow backpackers in a hostel, the most important thing is to embrace the journey and create memories that will last a lifetime. Ready to plan your next adventure? Whether you're dreaming of a luxurious escape or a budget-friendly backpacking trip, the world is waiting to be explored. Start researching destinations, comparing prices, and crafting your perfect itinerary. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips, inspiration, and insights. Share this video with your friends and let us know in the comments. What's your preferred travel style? Let's inspire each other to see the world, no matter the budget.